G'day folks, we're going to do a video today on honey chili red claw. My wife's recipe for the sauce and recently caught red claw up at Right, we've got to make up the sauce. We've got about a third of a cup of lemon juice. We'll add about the same of water. We want a couple of teaspoons of soya sauce. So, 1, 2 of the soya sauce. Some corn flour, around about a tablespoon, put in there. You can always mix it up a bit more later. Some corn flour and a couple of tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. We're using the Trident. That's about 1, that's about 2. Close enough's good enough. We've mixed up that sauce. The sauce is pretty ready to go. Now what we want to do is we're going to cook up the ginger. So on the stove we've got a little pot. We'll add some ginger. Couple of good tablespoons of honey. Look like 2 tablespoons, maybe a little bit more. It's looking a bit better. And what we want to do is we're going to mix that up. We got the old trusty wooden spoon. This recipe is Pauline's. It's her own dish. We're just going to adapt it, usually done on chicken. We're going to adapt it out to the red claw and do a bit of fried rice with it and see how that all goes. Smells alright. Slowly add that to the cooking ginger and honey. And just give that a nice little stir. Should thicken up. Right, tastes alright. Had a few problems with the battery, but we're off and running now. We've got the marinated red claw. Been in for about 3 hours or something. Probably not necessary to do it that long, but okay, and we're going to do a bit of a beer batter on it. So what we'll do, a bit of self-raising flour, a capful of vinegar, bit of white vinegar, and then we add a bit of good stuff. Probably not everyone's cup of tea, but I like it. Bit of beer in there, whisk him up to a desired consistency. That's probably a little bit light, so we might chuck a bit more self-raising in there. You don't want it like a toothpaste, but you don't want it like cream either. So that's starting to sort of get like in between. Don't worry if you've got a few lumps, so all cook out. So once you've got that done, reasonable, you can have a little sip of the beer. Cheers. All we do then is put the red claw in, give it a good coat. Coat him up. Then we're going to do a twice fry on these. Show you when we get outside. Right, we've done a fried rice. We'll just keep that on warm till we do the red claw honey chili, and it's looking pretty good. Alright, we've got the honey chili sauce on a reheat outside, and then we'll just deep fry the red claw. The red claw's over here in the beer batter. Alright, we got the oil pretty hot. We're going to do a twice fry, so we'll drop the pieces of red claw with the beer batter on them. Oil temperature's about 180 at the moment. Can probably do a lot of these in one go, I suppose. Pretty good, all empty. Just take them out as they brown off. Keep them moving around. Keep it dancing, Maria. Drop more. Right, what we'll do is we'll wait till the heat gets back into the oil, and we'll give them another go. Right, that oil's heated back up again. So what we'll do, we'll put the red claw back in for a second fry. Makes it nice and crispy. Browns it up pretty quick. You only need 20 or 30 seconds, look at that. We don't put corn in our fried rice. Right, we can put the beer battered red claw onto the plate. A little bit of toasted sesame seeds. quite good, I think.
To start into far western Queensland tomorrow.
As my dear wife says, magnificent. She didn't have to cook. So, yum yum.